Now, here are some other considerations that you need to think about as potentials. I doubt for most of you this is going to be anything that you're going to worth pursue, but these are things that don't fall under health, wealth, and relationships directly, exactly, perfectly. So anything that doesn't fall directly, perfectly under health, wealth, or relationship, I automatically say it's at the very least a level 4, if not a level 5. So personal expression. So there are people that write, draw, are into fashion and music that aren't doing it to better their health, wealth, or to make more money, or to attract the opposite sex. They just do it. It's part of them as a person. Like Picasso didn't paint to become wealthy necessarily. He painted because it called out to them. It was in his nature, right? And that's so inspiring to other people that it automatically turns into a successful vehicle. Now, you could say mental health for personal expression. And yeah, you would be true on that. But it's like, it doesn't fit in there nice and easy. So for me personally, it's a consideration that falls outside of the scope. Recognition. So some people do things purely for fame, not even necessarily to get better relationships out of it or for the wealth that it provides. And yes, again, we can, the catch-all could be mental health, if nothing else, right? But people that are doing sports because they want to be recognized as some sort of amazing person, fame itself, just to be noticed, personal achievements to be successful in certain areas. These are all things that drive people that if you can help them achieve could potentially be a flagship product for you, but they're very already. There's no really breaking down much deeper, one level deep maybe, on writing, drawing, fashion, or music, or sports, or personal achievement, and spiritual. So again, this could be considered, mental health, but some people love to travel. It's a spiritual fulfilling thing for them. Religion itself is spiritual, obviously, has spiritual tendencies to it. There's certain types of personal development that don't fall in health, wealth, or relationships that could better be classified as spiritual. So these are some of the areas maybe that might fall outside of health, wealth, and relationships. If they do, automatically put them in category 4. And it's probably unlikely you're going to utilize any of these, but I just wanted to be completely thorough on your other considerations. But most of you are going to find something within a level 4 of health, wealth, and relationships directly.